Hello, join me as I take on the challenge of installing the Ring stick-up camera in under 10 minutes. Let's see if we can do it. The Ring stick-up camera is an excellent choice for home security, offering crystal clear video, motion detection and seamless integration with the Ring app. Its compact design, wireless connectivity and battery-powered operation make it incredibly versatile and easy to install. When it comes to installing security cameras, people often face a range of challenges. Some struggling with connectivity issues, whilst others find it difficult to place a camera in an optimal spot. Sometimes the camera's viewing angle just isn't right, or the motion detection settings need some fine-tuning, and of course there's always the risk of missing a crucial step in the setup procedure, leaving your home vulnerable. To avoid these common pitfalls, it's essential to follow a clear and step-by-step guide, which is what I'm going to give you here. That's exactly what we're going to do in this video. Whether you're a seasoned smart home enthusiast or a complete newbie, this tutorial will walk you through the entire installation process from start to finish. Proper setup is critical to getting the most out of your Ring. By following the correct procedures, you'll be able to enjoy peace of mind, knowing that your home is securely monitored and protected. Let's get started with the installation process. The first step is to unbox your new Ring camera. There's not a lot in the box. You've got basically what you see here, plus a charging lead, and there's nothing else to it. You've just got to charge up that battery pack. Take the moment to inspect the device, the charging cable and the mounting accessories. Make sure everything is included and in good condition. Next, you'll need to charge the camera. Simply plug in the charging cable and let it power up for at least 30 minutes. This will give you enough juice to complete the setup process, but I would suggest giving it longer because it takes a long time to go fully charged. I charged mine overnight. Once the camera is charged, download and install the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Create an account, or if you've already got one, log in. Then you follow the in-app instructions to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. This might take a minute or so be careful and patient. With your camera connected, it is time to position it in the perfect spot. Experiment with different angles and heights until you find the one that provides the best coverage. You can use the mounting accessories to secure the camera to the wall or place it on a shelf. I was extremely lucky. I had a thing out on my wall at some point which just happened to match the holes on this. This is the mounting plate for the camera. The camera bottom's got various things on it, but you can move the ball joint so that it can be either on the back or the bottom. So I've put mine onto the back. You charge up the battery and then you put it in the camera. Then you simply put the bottom on, turn it so that the lock is in place, and it's ready to go on the wall. Now we started off with that, which was from an old light, and now I've put up that, which is from the camera, and this is the end result. Now looking at this is a picture of the garden using my smartphone. This is a picture from the stick-up camera on my smartphone. And this is a real-time playback of what was actually happening. This was the motion detected me out there doing a little bit of gardening. So it really does work. In between time it just sits there and doesn't do much. It's just looking to see if anything's happening. And as soon as it does, it saves it. I needed one of these again because this time it was 20 foot away from the router, but it had gone through two walls and one of the walls had a metal boiler on it, so the signal didn't quite make it again. When it comes to troubleshooting common installation problems, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure your Wi-Fi network is stable and strong. If you are experiencing connectivity issues, try restarting your router or moving the camera closer to the access point. That's probably easier to move the router closer to the camera rather than the other way around. Anyway, also be mindful of any physical obstructions that might be blocking the camera's view or signal. It can't see through things, it can only see things. To optimise camera placement, think about the areas of your home that might need the most coverage. You might want to place a camera near an entrance, in a hallway, overlooking a backyard. Experiment with different locations until you find the one that works best for you. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to Ring's customer support. They're available to help you and to help you resolve most of the issues you might have. And that's it, you've successfully installed your Ring stick-up camera. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Remember, setting up your camera is just the first step in securing your home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your own installation experiences in the comments below. If you're happy for more security tips and tutorials, be back to check out my other videos. Happy securing. Comments below.